the afternoon tea express. Stephen is one of the oldest engines on the island of Sodor. He collects things for the Earl and the castle. And he shows visitors around the estate. But Stephen is very slow.
Move along, slow coach.
One morning, after Spencer had dropped the Duke and Duchess off for a visit to the castle, he saw the Earl talking to Stephen.
Stephen, I have a special job for you. Once a week, I need you to collect scones from the bakery and cream from the dairy. They are for our afternoon teas at the castle tea rooms.
Oh, yes, sir. I'll be the afternoon tea express.
The visitors will wait a long time for their afternoon tea if Stephen is doing the job.
I'll have you know they used to call me the Rocket because I was so speedy.
Ha! Compared to a horse and cart, maybe.
This made Stephen very cross.
I'll show Spencer. I'll be the fastest afternoon tea express there ever was.
So Stephen collected scones from the bakery. And cream from the dairy. As he puffed back to the castle, Stephen thought he was going very fast.
Make way! Afternoon tea express coming through.
But Gordon didn't think Stephen was going very fast at all.
Hurry up, slow coach. The real express is trying to get past.
But I'm going as fast as I can.
Well, I can't wait all day for you.
So Gordon puffed right up behind Stephen and gave him a push.
Gordon, what are you doing? Whoa! Careful! I'm an antique, you know!
Gordon pushed Stephen faster than he had ever been before. And when they got to the castle junction, Gordon slowed down so Stephen could change tracks.
Now that's how an express goes.
Stephen was cross. When Stephen got to the castle, Spencer was very surprised to see him.
My, Stephen, that was quick. You really are the afternoon tea express.
You see, Spencer, I can be speedy. I'm still the Rocket! Pew!
Each week after that, when Stephen collected the scones and the cream, he got one of the engines to push him. One day he was pushed by Thomas. The next day he was pushed by James. And another day he was pushed by Emily.
Whoa! Wahey!
Stephen always got the cream and scones to the castle on time. Everybody called him the Rocket again. One day, the Earl had a very special job for him.
Sir Topham Hatt and Lady Hatt are coming for afternoon tea at the castle today. But we are out of jam. So I need you to collect some more jam from the docks for me.
Yes, sir. I'll be back in no time.
Stephen puffed as fast as he could. And he collected his truck from the docks. It was filled with lots of barrels of jam. There was strawberry, raspberry, and even apricot jam. But when Stephen puffed back towards the castle, he couldn't find anyone to push him.
Oh, no. This is where I normally see Gordon. And this is where I normally find Thomas. What am I going to do?
The castle was still a long way away, and it would take Stephen a very long time to get there.
Oh, no! It'll be dark by the time I get the jam to the castle.
But then Stephen found Spencer.
What are you doing here? I thought you were the Rocket. Sir Topham Hatt and Lady Hatt are waiting at the castle for their afternoon tea.
Stephen had an idea.
Maybe you could push me to the castle, Spencer.
Oh, I'm far too busy to push an old bucket of bolts like you around.
Stephen was very old and very wise. That's why he knew exactly what to say to Spencer.
Oh, don't worry, Spencer. I don't think you could push me fast enough anyway.
This made Spencer very cross.
I'll show you what fast is.
So Spencer buffered up behind Stephen.
Now you really will be the afternoon tea express.
Spencer pushed Stephen faster than Emily. He pushed him faster than Thomas. Spencer even pushed Stephen faster than Gordon had.
Faster! Faster!
Spencer pushed Stephen right up to the castle junction.
Thank you, Spencer!
But as Spencer released him, Stephen realized he had a problem.
Oh, no! I'm going too fast!
Stephen's driver and fireman tried to apply the brakes, but it was too late. He bumped into the buffers at the end of the track. The barrels of strawberry, raspberry, and even apricot jam flew into the air, then smashed to the ground.
Uh-oh.
Luckily, no one was hurt. But Sir Topham Hatt was very cross. So was the Earl.
Stephen, what is going on?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I got Spencer to push me so I could go fast.
Stephen, I chose you because you are reliable, not because you are fast.
Sorry, sir. Maybe I don't need to try being speedy anymore.
No, Stephen, you don't. But what am I going to do about the afternoon teas?
I know, sir. I have to go back and get some more jam. So why doesn't everyone hop on board and they can have an afternoon tea and a tour at the same time?
Everyone thought this was a grand idea. So Stephen gave the guests a very slow and gentle ride to the docks. He collected the jam, and the passengers all enjoyed their afternoon tea tour.
Slow train coming through. It's the afternoon tea express.